Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CBSE Class 12 syllabus 2023 to 2024. First we will discuss CBSE Class 12 syllabus 2023 to 2024 highlights. CBSE Class 12 Board Exam 2024 conducted by CBSE. The academic session is 2023 to 2024. The CBSE Class 12 syllabus release date is April 1, 2023. The CBSE Class 12 exam date is February 15 to March 2024. The exam mode will be offline and the official website is cbseacademic.nic.in. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 subjects. Language 1 consists Hindi elective or Hindi core or English elective or English core. Language 2 or subject 2 consists any one language or any one academic elective. Subject 3, Subject 4 and Subject 5 consist any 3 compulsory electives from a pool of academic and skill subjects. Language 3 or Subject 6 consist any optional elective from a pool of languages, academic and skill subjects. Health and physical education, work experience and general studies consist compulsory subjects having only internal assessment. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Maths Syllabus 2023 to 2024. The distribution of marks for Class 12 Maths Syllabus is as follows. Internal assessment 20 marks, theory will 80 marks. The exam is conducted for a duration of 3 hours. The following table contains the chapters included in the CBSE Class 12 Maths Syllabus 2023 to 2024 along with their weightage. Relations and function will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Algebra, matrix and determinants will carry a weightage of 10 marks. Calculus will carry a weightage of 35 marks. Vectors and three-dimensional geometry will carry a weightage of 14 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Chemistry Syllabus 2023 to 2024. Solutions will carry a weightage of 7 marks. Electrochemistry will carry a weightage of 9 marks. Chemical kinetics will carry a weightage of 7 marks. DNF block element will carry a weightage of 7 marks. Coordination compounds will carry a weightage of 7 marks. Haloalkanes and halogens, alcohols, phenols and ethers will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Amines will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Biomolecules will carry a weightage of 7 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 English Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Flamingo, prose consist Last Lesson, Lost Spring, Deep Water, The Rat Trap, Indigo, Poets and Pancakes, The Interview, Going Places chapters. The poems consist My Mother at 66, Keeping Quiet, A Thing of Beauty, A Roadside Stand, Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. In Vistas chapters, the third level, The Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth, The Enemy on the Face of It. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Physics Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Electrostatics, the chapters are Electric Charges and Fields, Electrostatics, Potential and Capacitance. In Current Electricity, the chapter is Current Electricity will carry a weightage of 16 marks. In Unit 3, the magnetic effect of current and magnetism consists the chapters Moving Charges and Magnetism and Matter consist a weightage of 17 marks. In Unit 4, Electromagnetic Induction and Alternating Currents, chapters are Electromagnetic Inductions, Alternating Current consist a weightage of 17 marks. In Unit 5, Electromagnetic Waves, chapter is Ray Optics and Optical Instrument consist a weightage of 18 marks. In Unit 6, Optics, the chapter is Wave Optics consist a weightage of 18 marks. In Unit 9, Electronic Devices, Semiconductor Electronics, Material Devices and Simple Circuits consist a weightage of 7 marks. Let's check the Computer Science Syllabus 2023 to 2024. Computational Thinking and Programming will carry a weightage of 40 marks. Computer Network will carry a weightage of 10 marks. Database Management will carry a weightage of 20 marks. Let's check the Class 12 Political Science chapter-wise weightage. In Part A, Contemporary World Politics, the chapters are The End of Bipolarity, Contemporary Centers of Power, Contemporary South Asia, International Organization, Security in the Contemporary World, Environment and Natural Resources will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Globalization will carry a weightage of 4 marks. In Part B, Politics in India since Independence, Challenges of Nation Building will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Era of One Party Dominance will carry a weightage of 4 marks. Politics of plant development will carry a weightage of 2 marks. India's external relations will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Challenges to an restoration of Congress system will carry a weightage of 4 marks. The crisis of democratic order will carry a weightage of 4 marks. Regional aspirations will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Recent development in Indian politics will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Business Studies Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Part A, Principles and Functions of Management. The chapters are Nature and Significance of Management, Principles of Management, Business Environment will carry a weightage of 16 marks, Planning, Organizing will carry a weightage of 14 marks, Staffing, Directing, Controlling will carry a weightage of 20 marks. In Part B, Business, Finance and Marketing, the Financial Management will carry a weightage of 15 marks, Financial Markets will carry a weightage of 15 marks, Marketing Management, Consumer Protection will carry a weightage of 15 marks. In Part C, Project, the Project 1 will carry a weightage of 20 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 10 Accountancy Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Part A, Accounting for Partnership Firms and Companies, the units are Accounting for Partnership Firms will carry a weightage of 36 marks, Accounting for Companies will carry a weightage of 24 marks. In Part B, Financial Statement Analysis, the Unit 3 Analysis of Financial Statements will carry a weightage of 12 marks. Unit 4 Cash Flow Statement will carry a weightage of 8 marks. In Part C, the Project File will carry a weightage of 12 marks and the Viva Voce will carry a weightage of 8 marks. In Part B, Computerized Accounting, the Computerized Accounting will carry a weightage of 20 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Biology Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Reproduction, the chapters are Sexual Reproduction and Flowering Plants, Human Reproduction, Reproductive Health will carry a weightage of 16 marks. In Genetics and Evolution, the chapters name are Principles of Inheritance and Variations, Molecular Basis of Inheritance Evaluation will carry a weightage of 20 marks. In Biology and Human Welfare, the Human Health and Disease, Microbes in Human Welfare will carry a weightage of 12 marks. In Biotechnology and its Applications, the Biotechnology Principle and Process, the Biotechnology and its Applications will carry a weightage of 12 marks. In Ecology and Environment, the Organisms and Population, Ecosystem, Biodiversity and its Conservation will carry a weightage of 10 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Economics Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Part A, Introductory Macroeconomics, the National Income and Related Aggregates will carry a weightage of 10 marks. Money and Banking will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Determination of Income and Employment will carry a weightage of 12 marks. Government Budget and the Economy will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Balance of Payment will carry a weightage of 6 marks. In Part B, Indian Economic Development, the Development Experience 1947 to 1990 and Economic Reforms since 1991 will carry a weightage of 12 marks. In Part B, Current Challenges Facing Indian Economy, Development Experience of India, a comparison with neighbors will carry a weightage of 8 marks. In Part C, Project Work will carry a weightage of 20 marks. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.